Okay, I'm going to create a stacked bar chart to show how India's economy has changed over time. I'm going to select my table containing my GDP data here. Go to Insert. There are a number of different charts I can choose. I'm going to go for a 3D bar chart. I don't want it clustered. That puts the data next to each other. And I want it to show percentage terms. So 3D 100% stacked bar, that's what I want. Now when I look down at it here, I can see that actually it's got it the wrong way around. I wanted 1981 and 2011 to be on the side so I can compare how these factors have changed over time. So what I'm going to do, just right click there, go to select data. Now what I want is 1981 and 2011 to occur here. That'll be the categories, and I want the legend to contain quaternary, tertiary, secondary, primary. So there'll be 4 different colours on the bar, or 3 different colours on the bar, and then I can compare these values and see how these values have changed over time. It's quite easy to do. You switch row column, and now I can see that I have primary, secondary, tertiary, and right on the end there for 1981, because it's a 0 score, just a bit of colour to say quaternary has been entered, and in 2011 I have the same data. And I can see that, for instance, primary industries were nowhere near as important in GDP terms in 2011 as they were in 1981. If I want to change the chart title, I can do it just by double clicking here.